Good day to everybody. How are you all doing today? Hopefully, wherever you are, it's a lot warmer than where I am now. I thought today was going to be like in the 30s. Woke up this morning, South Dakota. I'm in Sioux Falls specifically. It did snow last night. Nothing really stuck. I can see small little bits of frost and snow on roofs behind me. But I didn't expect it to be 1 degree. Feels like minus 12. Right now it is 10 o'clock in the morning, and it has warmed up a little bit. It's still very cold though, so there is that. Well, anyway, what I got today is since I got back from my trip, I found that I had some couple of Christmas cards and a couple of shop cards. So, and I also had a mail call. I got a box in the mail. So I'm going to go ahead and go over those today. And we'll start with the first one. That's enough digging, Daisy. Lay down. My son's dog is on the bed, digging like she's in the dirt or something. I don't know. Trying to make it comfortable for herself. Alright, so this first Christmas card is from Chris's House of Plastic. Thank you very much, Chris. That's an awesome looking card. Let me zero in a little bit. Oh, that's too much. Okay, there we go. Thank you very much, Chris, for the awesome card. I really appreciate it. Thank you for the warm tidings inside. Yeah. Awesome. So this is from Chris and his wife, Joanne. Again, thank you very much. I will leave a link in the comments, a link in the description below, so that you can go check out Chris's channel. He's got awesome content. He does awesome builds, and he's just an all-around really nice guy. So I highly recommend going to see him, see his channel. Alright, so we'll move on to the next card. So this card is from Doug Hensley. I'm sure everybody knows Doug. He's been around. Hensley's Hobbies. Very cool card. And it's actually from Doug, Ma, and Aunt Joyce. Oops. That's who he lives with. Thank you very much, Doug. I appreciate the card. I always love going to Doug's channel and checking it out. He has some awesome builds, awesome content. So another great guy, and I'll leave a link for his channel. Go check him out if you haven't, and if you know Doug already, right on. So check out what he's got going on. Okay, now to some shop cards. So the first one is from Gloria. This is Stout Creations 2024. Gloria's got some awesome builds on her channel. Go check her out. I love the Pontiac GTO on this card. That's a very cool picture. I'm in the process of having to make a new card, shop card, because I don't currently have any more shop cards. I ran out. So once I get new shop cards made, I'll be sending those out. I'm thinking about doing a sticker too. We'll see. Everybody loves stickers, so but anyway, go check out Gloria if you haven't already. She has some awesome builds, awesome person, and she has an awesome channel. So let's support her in the community and check her out. Okay, and this last shop card that I got, this one is from Sam over at Sam's Model Mayhem. Sam builds a lot of different cars, or a lot of different models. Sees Porsche, I think those are all Porsches. I'm not sure. I know for sure 2 of them are. He likes NASCAR, obviously, and then this is an old, I'm not even gonna guess. Cord maybe? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, go check out Sam. Super cool dude. Got a really good channel. Got some nice builds on there. Does some great work. Fairly new channel. Just, well, started last year, so kind of a new channel. But I will leave a link in the description below for Sam. Go check him out. Okay, so the last thing that I've got is actually this was from one of the diecast guys that I follow. He had a giveaway. There's that G word. And his channel is Miniature Mustangs, Diecasts and Customs. Sorry, my arm made it unfocus. But anyway, he had a giveaway, Christmas giveaway, and I was one of the lucky ones that got in. He gave away like, I don't know, 40 cars, and they're all just amazing stuff. Steve does his own customs, but he also buys and sells customs. So the first one that I got here that I want to share is this 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. From what I can tell, I believe this is actually oh boy, glare, turn that off. This is actually a mail-in car, and it's really cool. Spectra Flame red with the Hot Wheels logo on it. Very cool car. And I am, I shouldn't be, but I am kind of getting back into Hot Wheels. And I'm going to be doing some customs this year on the channel. So you'll be seeing some diecast in there. But the two cars that were absolutely blew me away are these Shop 164 cars. This one is the Falcon, Falcon tire Mustang. Oops, let me hold it up higher. Let me turn this on. Okay, anyway, this car is amazing. So this is a custom. It's a GT500 Mustang, and they stripped it, polished it, and then put decals on it, painted it, or clear coated, I should say. Sorry, I keep dropping it. And custom wheels and tires on it. Just an amazing looking car. And thanks, Steve, so much for this. I'm going to guess that they use a 2K clear on them. I don't know for sure, but it sure looks like it. And I'm not sure where they get their decals. I mean, you could get 1/64th scale decals online from a lot of different vendors. And they also make, or they source their own stands, and they sell those also. So that's the first of the two Shop 164 cars. The second one is this Coca-Cola liveried Chevelle. This car just sparkles. It is, I'm going to guess it to be a Spectra Flame red. And like I said, 2K clear, looks like what they use over it. Custom. These are Real Rider tires. Custom wheels. I think those are Advans. And the 164 shop does sell these wheels and tires also. So, again, Steve, thank you so much for this. I mean, these cars are just amazing. I'm going to try my hand at doing customs again. I'm not sure if I can touch these as far as brilliance and just stunning work. And Shop 164 has a web page. It is Shop 164 on online. They also have a eBay store. Now they sell customs. They sell these customs. I haven't seen any of the customs on their website. but I have seen them on eBay. So that's all I've got for today. I'm going to get back into the swing of things. I have my 68 dart for the USEC build that I'll be working on soon, and I'll have an update on that. But I wanted to get this video out. So anyway, everybody have a great day. Have a great weekend coming up. Hope everybody's doing well. Get some bench time. Enjoy your hobby. Enjoy your family. Take care of your family. Take care of yourselves. And lastly, be kind. All right? Bye.